Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection, make sure that you've got one, and then we can enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device. So be aware about that. You can either log in or sign up. Of course, you can also check how to add the Google account to the device. I've just recorded a tutorial about it, so highly recommend to check. So right here, all we have to do is to simply tap on the circle, which is our account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's go to the Manage, and right here we've got the list of all currently installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available, and there we've got all of the updates which we can download. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of them. If not, just find those which you want to and mark. So for example, in my case it will be Google Chrome, Google Drive, and maybe Google Maps. So after marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait here, you can just turn it off. Everything will happen in the background, you can do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.